Hi guys, today we talk about Huawei Pura 70 Pro. It's launched on April 2024. The dimensions of Huawei Pura 70 Pro: height 6.4 inch, width 2.96 inch, thickness 8.4 mm, the weight is 220 grams. The build, front and back glass and aluminum frame. The display of Huawei Pura 70 Pro. It comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.8 inch with 89.3% screen to body ratio. The screen resolution is 1.5K with 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen brightness is 2500 nits peak. The screen protection is Kunlun Glass 2. Let's talk about the platform of Huawei Pura 70 Pro. It comes with Harmony OS 4.2 operating system. The chipset is Kirin 9010 7nm. The CPU is octa-core Titan Big and the GPU is Melon 920. The memory of Huawei Pura 70 Pro, it comes with 12 GB of RAM, 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card and no memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup of Huawei Pura 70 Pro, it comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12.5 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel telephoto with 3.5 optical zoom, and it's record 4K 60fps video with main cameras. The selfie camera is 30 megapixel and it's record 4K 60fps video record. The battery backup, it's come with 5050 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging, and it support 80 watt wireless charging and 20 watt reverse wireless charging and 18 watt reverse wired charging. The common and the feature, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, and IP68 dust and water resistant. The price is Huawei Pura 70 Pro $1,199.